This is Bill. He's an auto shop owner. Bill wants to go home, but Bill uses outdated software, so he has to work late. This is Bill when he uses Tekmetric, the only auto shop management software that gives you your time back. Stop working overtime and worrying all the time. With Tekmetric, you can streamline your workflow, increase efficiency and productivity, and get your business into high gear.
Which means being able to spend more time with my family. Grilling kielbasa's and tossing the old pigskin. Oh, good arm, kiddo. So proud.
It's easier to learn than driving stick and comes in clutch for everyone on your team.
So proud.
Tekmetric helps you get the most out of your work hours and your free time.
More money, less stress? It's a no-brainer. Whoa, I must toss the kielbasa and grill the football.
It's time to pump the brakes on stress, accelerate your business, and get your time back.
Click the link to work smarter, not harder, with Tekmetric. For shop owners, by shop owners.